So hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about multiple dimension array. So in multiple dimension array we can have 2D arrays and 3D arrays, and we can even have a 4D, 5D, but 2D and 3D we are focusing here. So let's see like how we can make a 2D and 3D array. So what are two-dimensional array? If an array contains more than one row and one column, it is known as two-dimensional array. It is also known as array of arrays. So like in two-dimensional array we have more than two arrays. Like in this case, like in the first case, like if you will go here and see, like we have an array A, like where we have one array and two array. So and after doing these two arrays we will close it with this red color. I have given a red color. So this is basically a 2D array. Now if we will compare it with 3D array, so in this 3D array we have more array, like where we have two arrays in the right side. So one array is this and second array is this. So this is a 2D array. Like whereas in 3D array, like we have arrays of arrays, like we have many arrays, like one array, this one, we will close this array, first one is this one, then is your second and third. So like with this way we have a 3D array. So this way we can have a multiple arrays like 2D and 3D array. Now array, how is we can create an array in program. So we have to import numpy as np, like we have to import the library, and then we can create an array. So array name first, then we have to give a function which is numpy.array, then we have to put the element and give create a two-dimensional array like this, like element we can give it. So we can have an array of integers and even an array of your strings also. So we can have arrays of strings and even of integers. So now friends, we will learn how to create a two-dimension array in numpy and how to we will the indexing of this numpy using single notation and double notation and your slicing of single bracket notation. So how we can do that? So first of all, I will create some cells here. I will create some cells after this and create one your numpy. So I will import the library of numpy, import numpy as np. So I just import this library, then I will create a array. So then I will create one of our array which is your your two-dimensional array. So np dot array. So to create two-dimensional array, I will just create 1 and 2 and comma 3. So we created our two-dimensional array with following items here, like 5, then I will give 10, 15, and here I will give 20, 25 and 30, and here I will give 35, 40 and 45. Now I will run this. To run this I will type here matrix and run. So this is our array. So this is our two-dimensional array. So like these are our dimensions like we have given here. So this is two-dimensional array here. Now what we need to do, we need to do indexing in this using double using your double brackets. So to do indexing with double bracket, I will use the name here as matrix. Then I have to pull down its item like your 5. So to pull down 5 from this, I will put here 0 because its indexing will start from 0. So these are its rows 0, 5, 20. So we will start from 0 and we will go till 0. So I will just put 2 dimensional. So again I will put 0 and enter. So it will pull out 5 from here. Suppose like if I want to pull out 20 from it, so how we can find out? So for that I will type here, I will just copy this and paste it here, and here I will put 0 1, so it will go till 1 and 0 here, so it will pull out 20. So this is basically finding out like elements from the array using our double bracket. Now suppose like if I want to pull out like this 25 from this array using double bracket, so how we can do that? So I will just copy this. First of all I will copy matrix and just run this array, and now we have to, I will just add some cells here, okay, and some cells also here below this, okay. So now if you want to pull 25 from this array using double bracket, so what we can do, I will put here like it will be in the 1 and then it will be again 1, so and then I will run this, so it will pull out 25 elements from our array. So this is how we will do indexing with your double bracket. Now if you want to do it with single bracket, so I will just write the name again matrix, and now we will do with single bracket. With single bracket, like suppose I will write the name matrix here, and then I will write here 0 first, like 0 is like it will be in our first row, so it will be here in our first row, and then I will give here 1. So 1 is basically like it will start from 0 and then it will go from 0 1 2. So this is the behavior of the matrix, like it will count rows and column in it. So first of all it will count rows, then it will count columns. So in rows 5 0 is the position, then we will say 1, so it will count first 0, then it will count 1, and then we will run, so it will give answer 10. So it will give an answer 10 here. Next, like if we want to pull out 30 from this, like we will take an example now. If we want to pull out 30 from it, so what will be the indexing? We will go to 1 0 1 2, right? So we will write matris matrix, and here I will type 0 and 2, sorry, like 30 from it, so I will write 1 comma, so it will be in a 0 1 2, so we will type 2 here, so it will pull out 30. So this is basically our single bracket notation, slicing, indexing. Next is your slicing using single bracket notation. So this is our single bracket notation now, where we have done this using single bracket. So next is slicing. So slicing using single bracket notation, now we will do that. So for that what we will do, I will again type this matrix so that we have a matrix array here, so we can see that. Then I will add some cells, okay, and from this we are using slicing using single bracket. So slicing is basically finding out, like if you want to find out two values from it, like we want to find out 5 10 20 25, so what we need to find out, 5 10 and your 20 25 from this. So how we can do that? For that what we will do, I will write the name of the matrix, then I will put this open here, and now like 5 is in our 0, so it will start from 0 and it will go from 0 1, so we will give here this and give 2, so it will start from 0 and 1, so 2 it will not count, then comma, then I will again type, like if you want to like 5 10 20, again 2, and just press shift enter, so it will give 5 10 20 25. Similarly if we like to find out 20 like 25 30, and here I will say we have to find out 25 and 30, and your what we say 40 and 45. So how we can do that? So I will just add some column here. So for that I will first of all again go, and what I will do, I will type the matrix here, and after putting the matrix I will use this formula. So I will type matrix. So we have to find out from our, it will start from 1 and go till the end. So 1 is like 0 1, so it will start from second, so we have to type 25 30. So it will start from 1 and then it will go till the end, then comma, and it will also start from 1, like column wise it will start and go till the end. So that will give the answer 25 30 and your 40 45. So this way friends, we can use matrix for 2 column to find out indexing and slicing of matrix. Thank you very much.